DJI has announced a new enterprise drone, the M30 and M30T. And it's safe to say it's giving other drone manufacturers a run for their money. This new drone comes equipped with all the features a safety worker needs. So, what's baked into this advanced industrial drone? Find out in today's video. Before anything else, we need to appreciate how portable the M30 is. You can fit this in your backpack, yet it packs an insane level of features and performance. Let's focus on the cameras. There's a 48 megapixel main camera, a wide-angle camera, and a telephoto camera. This is a massive upgrade from the M300 RTK since you don't have to add any other cameras or gimbals, and everything a public safety agent needs comes baked into the drone. 8K photos, 4K 30fps videos, 16x optical zoom, and 200x optical zoom. It's incredible what these cameras can do. Yeah, there are other drones with better photos and recording capabilities. Still, this drone sets itself apart by fusing all these features into a single payload. On top of all these camera capabilities, there's also a laser rangefinder. This rangefinder can tell you the coordinates of an object from 1200 meters away. It's an excellent addition since rescuers don't need to get close to somewhere to get a detailed view, and they can use this feature and the telephoto to understand what's happening. So, whether rescuing someone or checking for wires, these features will surely come in handy. There are many features in these cameras that we wish other cine drones or professional filming drones had. For example, the panoramic mode. This isn't a usual panoramic mode, since in this mode, the picture turns out to be a Google Street View, kind of like an aerial panorama of everything around the drone. Also, the high-res mode is fantastic. You can zoom in to get an even more detail on that mode. We think that these features are great for surveying, rescuing, and other missions. We also think filmmakers would love to see these in a consumer drone. Now, let's talk about the controller. The controller itself looks stunning, and you can say DJI had the safety agents in mind when designing this controller. It has more buttons than ever because people use it with their gloves on. It's a smart move since you don't have to worry about the gloves every time you need to fly this. Another fantastic feature is the IP54 rating. Since the drone can work in harsh conditions, it's natural that the driver would be in similarly difficult situations, just on the ground. So the IP54 rating is perfect. These are just some features of the new M30 and its redesigned controller. But if we had to pick the 5 best features of the drone, the first thing that comes to mind is the hot swappable batteries. Both the drone and controller have hot swap battery capabilities. So, swapping out the batteries without turning off the drone and readjusting it is a huge plus point. It kills all the time wasted in readjusting the drone and all that. Another great feature is the fast charging capabilities. You can power up this drone to 90% in just 30 minutes. With a flight time of 41 minutes, such fast charging is impressive to say the least. It's an autonomous drone that can work in harsh weather conditions. You already know what that means since it's IP55 rated. Not only that, it can function in freezing -20 degrees Celsius and burning 50 degrees Celsius. This is yet another thing we like about the M30. We also love the enhanced transmission system on this drone. Since the OcuSync 3 enterprise transmission system gives you triple camera full HD video feeds, and you can swap these out quickly. Lastly, you can change the payload of the M30 with the camera if you need. Need a camera for mapping or maybe one for recusing? DJI has you covered. It will also support third-party payload, so no matter the mission, you will be successful. All in all, the DJI M30 is a fantastic drone with unique capabilities. It has all the features baked in to make sure you can use it in any situation. It's honestly intriguing to see what the competition will come up with. What do you think about the M30? Let us know in the comment section below.